Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your online status from your Telegram profile. So guys, first of all, let's just open our Telegram application on our phone. Then we can tap on the three lines button on the top left corner of our screen. After that, we are going to tap on the settings option, this one. Tap on the settings option. Then there will be several options for you and you're going to tap on privacy and security setting. Okay, after that, you're going to click on the lesson and online. It's over here. And as you can see that everybody can see my lesson and online. So I'm going to tap on nobody to hide my online status from my Telegram profile. And after that, we just need to click on this checkmark button to save this setting. And then click on OK. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide our online status from our Telegram profile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.